Making liquid fertilizer at home can be simple, effective, and mess-free with the right method. This approach ensures you get a nutrient-rich fertilizer loaded with beneficial microbes without the hassle of straining stinky liquids through a mesh or cloth. By using this method, the liquid will strain itself naturally, making the process easy and efficient. Let's go through it step by step and create a powerful fertilizer together. Start by gathering 2 containers. We're using 2 old 5-gallon buckets, which are perfect for this method. The first step is to make holes in the bottom of one of the buckets. Use a drill machine and make plenty of holes to allow the liquid to filter through easily. This bucket will act as the main container for the process. The second bucket should remain intact, with no holes, as it will collect the liquid fertilizer. Once you've prepared both buckets, you're ready to begin. Next, it's time to collect weeds from your garden. Weeds are often a nuisance, especially if they're in the seeding stage, as they can spread and grow uncontrollably. Instead of throwing them away or waiting for them to break down in your compost pile, use them for this fertilizer. Take the weeds and put them into the bucket with holes. This method ensures that even weeds in their seeding stage won't grow back, as they will decompose completely during the process. Once the weeds are in the holed bucket, place that bucket inside the second bucket with no holes. Ensure there's a space of 2 to 3 inches at the bottom between the 2 buckets. This space will allow the liquid fertilizer to collect without coming into contact with the weeds. Now, fill the bucket with water. Use non-chlorinated water or rainwater for the best results, as chlorine can kill the beneficial microbes we want in the fertilizer. Add enough water to submerge the weeds completely. This step is crucial to ensure all parts of the weeds are soaked and start breaking down evenly. To boost the microbial activity in the mixture, take a few handfuls of soil from your garden bed and sprinkle it on top of the submerged weeds. Garden soil is rich in microbes that will help break down the weeds faster and add even more nutrients to the fertilizer. After adding the soil, mix everything thoroughly in the bucket to ensure the soil, water, and weeds combine well. Once mixed, cover the bucket loosely with a lid. This will keep pests and debris out, while still allowing some airflow, which helps the decomposition process. Leave the bucket in a shaded area for about 7 days. During this time, the weeds will break down, and the beneficial microbes will thrive, creating a potent, nutrient-rich liquid. After a week, your fertilizer is ready to use. To harvest it, simply lift the bucket with holes out of the second bucket. The liquid will have filtered through into the lower bucket, leaving the solid material behind in the upper bucket. This method eliminates the need for messy straining, as the liquid separates itself naturally. The liquid collected in the lower bucket is extremely concentrated and should be diluted before using it on your plants. Mix 1 liter of the fertilizer with 10 liters of water to create the perfect strength for your plants. Once diluted, use the solution to water your plants, ensuring they receive a healthy dose of nutrients and microbes that will enhance their growth and overall health. The remaining solid material in the upper bucket doesn't go to waste either. Add it to your compost pile, where it will continue to break down and contribute to your garden's soil in the future. This method not only provides you with an excellent liquid fertilizer, but also makes good use of every part of the process, leaving no waste behind. Using this homemade fertilizer offers countless benefits. Your plants will thrive, showing more robust growth, healthier leaves, and better yields. The beneficial microbes in the liquid help improve soil health, making it more fertile over time. Plus, by using garden weeds, you're turning a potential problem into a valuable resource for your garden. If you found this method helpful, don't forget to check out my channel for more gardening tips, DIY fertilizers, and sprays. Subscribe, like, and share this video to support the channel and help more gardeners discover these simple and effective techniques. Together, we can create healthier gardens while saving money and reducing waste.